Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily buy Dogecoin, Doge. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click down below in the link description and you will get here on the Binance. Just register, add an email password, and when you're gonna do it, you're gonna be here in Binance Market. And right now, you just wanna click on markets, or you can simply first bank deposit your money. And you see it right here that you can deposit with a bank transfer, bank card. And when you got it, click markets here. Right now, you're gonna see spot markets and search coin name. You can choose Doge. And now you have many options here. You can go with the Bitcoin, you can go with the Euro. I can click here on a Bitcoin and click trade. Then you're gonna be here on a market and go to top right in the search and right here Doge. And now you have pairs here. You can go with the Euro, with the tree, with Bitcoin. So I can choose Bitcoin here. And I can simply choose how many Doge I want to buy, and I can buy it. Then you can also sell Doge. And also you can buy it with Euro. Right here. So these are the ways how we can actually do it. And then you can actually sell the Doge. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. It's like really easy, really simple. Also, in the past, you couldn't even buy it on Coinbase, but what you can do, if you actually can't buy it on Binance and you can bank deposit, what you can do is to go to Coinbase. You have also a link down below in the description that if you invest $100, you get $10 for free. You can go to prices and you can buy Bitcoin and then transfer from Coinbase to Binance. So that's what you can do and how you can actually do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.